Subject Verb Agreement, Singular and Plural Nouns and Pronouns. In this module, you'll learn how singular and plural nouns and pronouns affect the Subject Verb Agreement. Look at the following sentence. The mayor's daughter is a member of the old age help community. In this sentence, mayor's daughter is the subject and is the verb. Mayor's daughter is a singular noun, which therefore needs a singular verb, is. This is called Subject Verb Agreement. In Subject Verb Agreement, the subject and the verb must agree in number. Singular subjects or nouns need singular verbs, whereas plural subjects or noun need plural verbs. Let us look at some examples. Martha is the organizer of the charity function for the orphanage. Here Martha is the singular noun and is the singular verb. Let's take a look at a plural example. The students are the organizers of the charity function for the orphanage. Here students is the plural noun and are is the plural verb. Here are some more examples. Many children take part in the charity function. Here children is the plural noun and take is the plural verb. One child takes part in the charity function. Here child is the singular noun and takes is the singular verb. Look at the two sentences. The mayor was the chief guest. The mayor inaugurated the charity function. The mayor, who was the chief guest, inaugurated the charity function. Which of the above sentences sounds better? Obviously, the second sentence. In subject-verb agreement, pronouns like who, it, him, her, that, they, themselves, or their is the subject of a verb in a sentence, then the pronoun becomes singular or plural according to the noun. The noun is written in front of the pronoun in the sentence. Therefore, if the noun in the sentence is singular, then a singular pronoun should be used. Look at the sentence again. The mayor, who was the chief guest, inaugurated the charity function. Here, mayor is the singular noun and who is the singular pronoun. If the noun in the sentence is plural, then a plural pronoun should be used. For example, students of the primary school donated their clothes and books to the orphanage. Here students is a plural noun and their is the plural pronoun. Let's recall what we have learned. In subject-verb agreement, a verb must agree with its subject. Singular subjects or nouns need singular verbs, whereas plural subjects or noun need plural verbs. If the noun in the sentence is singular, then a singular pronoun should be used. If the noun in the sentence is plural, then a plural pronoun should be used.